All right, so this is our last two portions, last two cells that last two tissues that we are going to cover. Let me double check if everything's good. All right, I think that's everything is good. Yes. So we have the muscle tissues and the nerve tissue. So what you need to know is that the muscle tissues here, we have three type of muscle. They are skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and the smooth muscle. You need to know what are the feature of each. The feature of the skeletal muscle has two. One is that skeletal muscle connect with the bone. It's skeletal muscle. It connect with the skeleton. The second feature is that the nucleus, each cell, this is one cell. Each muscle fiber is a cell. Each cell has multiple nuclei. So typically a cell has single nucleus, but this one has many in the cell. So that's two features. Cardiac myocytes, what's the feature? The cardiac myocytes is the forming the heart. So that's a feature. The muscle of the heart is cardiac myocytes. Smooth muscle, the feature is that it's the muscle of your vessel wall, your digestive system. So all these organ muscles are smooth muscles. So that's just like that. Another thing we also need to know is that skeletal muscle and the heart muscle or cardiac muscle has this striation, this striated feature, but smooth muscle does not have this striated or striation. Yeah, so that's a feature, that's the thing. This one summarize these muscles. Basically, the key thing here is that skeletal muscle has here is location, function, striation. Skeletal muscle has striation. Cardiac muscle has striation. Nucleus, skeletal muscle has many nuclei, and the other has single nucleus. And so that's that. Skeletal muscle can be controlled by your voluntary, so it's voluntary control. Smooth muscle and cardiac muscle is involuntary. You cannot control your digestive system. You cannot control your heart. Yeah. So that's all you need to know. Yeah. So that's the muscle. And then the last part, but not the least, but not least, last but not least, it's important, still very important, is the nervous system. So the nervous system or the nerve tissue are the one to provide the communication, and it basically can be seen in two categories. One is called central nervous system. The other one is called peripheral nervous system. So central nervous system include the brain and the spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system are the one in the peripheral. In this peripheral, there are two function or two type of the nerve. One is a sensory to sense the environment stimulus, such as the touch, such as heat, such as vision, such as smelling, such as hearing. Those are the sensory. Another direction or another category is called motor. So this one control your muscle. So that's the nerve. And I think that's it. Oh, there are more. So the nerve cells has two category. One is called neuronal cells. So that is the primary one. This is one to transmit signal from one location to the next to the next. And the other is called glia cell. So all the other here are the glia cell. Here is not. This is vessel, blood vessel. So this is epithelium. So that's totally different thing. But nerve communicate with the blood vessel. So here, this one summarize all these nerve cells. We have the neuronal cells. This is one to transmit signal from one location to the other. We also have glia cell. There are three group of glia cell. We have myelin cells, astrocytes, right here, astrocytes, and the microglia. So you need to know their feature. Myelin cells form myelin sheath right here, myelin sheath which is wrapping around the axon. So here, let's go back to here. This is the nerve, and this is the axon. And the myelin sheath wrapping around the axon. So that's myelin cells. It's also very important to know that there are two types of myelin cell, oligodendrocytes and Schwann cells. Oligodendrocytes are the myelin cells in the central nervous system. Schwann cells are the myelin cells of the peripheral nervous system. So you're gonna see this in the quiz question. Which of followings are the cells form myelin sheath in the brain? That will be oligodendrocyte. What is the myelin cells to form the myelin sheath in the peripheral nervous system? That's the Schwann cells. So that's that. And the others are astrocytes. The shape is like a star shape. It provides many functions. That's all you need to know. And the microglia is the macrophage cell. So microglia can eat. They can clear away the damaged brain cells or nerve cells. They help to clean away those. Yeah, so that's that. So that ends it. We finish it. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. All right, bye bye. See you next time.